Mastering preventive maintenance. The maintenance team relentlessly perfects preventive maintenance to fuel operational excellence. What is the standardized process by which its maintenance team updates and refines the preventive maintenance program to ensure its ongoing effectiveness and alignment with operational excellence goals? The standardized process by which the maintenance team updates and refines the preventive maintenance program to ensure its ongoing effectiveness and alignment with operational excellence goals involves a continuous cycle of planning, execution, and evaluation. This process is outlined below. Step 1. Performance Metrics Review. The maintenance team reviews key performance metrics such as mean time between failures, MTBF, mean time to repair, MTTR, and overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, to identify areas of improvement and trends in equipment performance. This review provides the foundation for refining the preventive maintenance program. Step 2. Root Cause Analysis. Conduct root cause analysis, RCA, on recent failures or near misses to identify underlying causes and opportunities for improvement. This analysis helps to pinpoint specific maintenance strategies, procedures, or skills gaps that require refinement. Step 3. FMEA and Risk Assessment. Perform failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, and risk assessments to identify potential failure modes, their impact on operations, and the likelihood of occurrence. This analysis enables the maintenance team to prioritize maintenance activities, allocate resources, and develop targeted strategies to mitigate risks. Step 4. Prime Minister Program Review and Revision. Review the existing preventive maintenance program, including task frequencies, procedures, and resource allocation. Refine the program by updating task lists, adjusting frequencies, and revising procedures to address identified gaps and areas for improvement. Step 5. CMMS Optimization. Optimize the Computerized Maintenance Management System, CMMS, to ensure accurate data tracking, scheduling, and reporting. Verify that the CMMS is properly configured to support the revised preventive maintenance program, and that workflows and notifications are set up to facilitate efficient execution. Step 6. Training and Competency Development. Develop and implement targeted training programs to address skills gaps and ensure that maintenance personnel possess the necessary competencies to execute revised procedures effectively. This includes training on new technologies, equipment, and maintenance strategies. Step 7. Budgeting and Resource Allocation. Review and revise the maintenance budget to ensure adequate resource allocation for the revised preventive maintenance program. This includes allocating funds for training, equipment upgrades, and additional resources required to support the refined program. Step 8. Performance Monitoring and Feedback. Establish a performance monitoring system to track key performance indicators, KPIs, and provide feedback to maintenance personnel on their performance. This enables prompt identification of areas for improvement and facilitates continuous refinement of the preventive maintenance program. Step 9. Continuous Improvement. Institute a culture of continuous improvement within the maintenance team, encouraging personnel to identify opportunities for improvement and propose innovative solutions. This fosters a proactive approach to maintenance, driving ongoing refinement of the preventive maintenance program. Step 10. Management Review and Approval. Conduct regular management reviews to ensure the revised preventive maintenance program aligns with operational excellence goals and objectives. Obtain approval for the revised program, and document the process for future reference and audit purposes. By following this standardized process, the maintenance team can ensure the ongoing effectiveness and alignment of the preventive maintenance program with operational excellence goals, driving continuous improvement and minimizing the risk of equipment failures and downtime.